Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a slow motion effect in your Canva video. But before we start, I think it is important to know that if you want to get a high quality and smooth flowing slow motion video, then that video or that footage has to be recorded in a high frame rate. So if you're recording the video in a 24 frame per second or 30 frame per second, unfortunately, the result is not going to be good. It's not going to be smooth. And I do recommend to record the video in the range of more than 100 frames per second. 60 could do, but I think it's not going to be as good as if you are recording the video in 100 frame plus per second. I think that's going to be a lot better. But anyway, here's how you can slow down your video so it's going to create a slow motion effect. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to upload the video to your Canva library, or you can also use an existing video from the Canva stock library right here. I got this video of a squirrel eating some peanut, and after that you can click on the video, click playback, and you can reduce the amount to whatever number that is smaller than 1. For example, I set the speed to be 0.25, meaning that video is now 4 times slower than before, and it is also being reflected by the duration of the video. So originally it was 7 seconds, but now it's becoming 28 seconds. If you set it to 0.5, it's becoming 14 seconds, and the video is only twice slower. And of course, if you want to fine-tune, if you want to get a specific number like maybe 0.6, you can enter a number manually, like 0.6, and enter. It will be applied to this video. So that's how you can do it. But what if you want to get the slow motion only at a specific section of the video? Well, it's really simple. First, you have to open the thumbnail view, and you want to open duration. For example, I want to make this section in the middle to be slow motion, but the rest is normal. So what I can do is I'm going to put the playhead right here, right click and split page. I'm going to put the playhead right here again, and I'm going to split page, and this section will be in slow motion. So after that, click playback, and I'm going to reduce it to 0.5, and as you can see, the video is becoming longer, and that is exactly what we want to achieve. And after that, let's play the video and see what's going to look like. Yeah, this section is now slower than the beginning and the end, and yeah, that's exactly how you can create the slow motion effect only at a specific section of the video. When you're done, you can click share, you can click download, and then get the video as it is. So I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.